Hey guys, it's William. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you another amazing and crazy, easy and quick recipe. We are going to make homemade caramel sauce, but this time it's going to be vegan and super easy. We are not going to use a candy thermometer. We are not going to do anything complicated. It's going to be so quick, so fast, and so delicious as well. You are not going to taste the coconut, even though we are going to use some in this recipe today. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I talked about coconut and I'm going to use coconut indeed. We are going to use some coconut milk here, and I'm using a full can of coconut milk, and I'm using both the liquids and the fats that I'm just going to put in a saucepan, and I'm going to heat this up just to make sure that everything is smoother and basically just combined, and then we'll be adding the sugar. Once our coconut milk is smooth again, it is time to talk about the sugar, and today I'm using a beautiful raw cane sugar, which is super brown and super golden. It looks amazing already. You can definitely use coconut sugar as well, but in France it's a bit difficult to find it, but I know that in the US it's a bit more easy. Basically, I just don't want to use basic white granulated sugar in this recipe since it is vegan and it is pretty much organic oriented. So this is why I'm using this type of sugar, just to make sure that we have a consistent product in the end. And basically I'm going to put my sugar and my coconut milk, and I'm going to heat this up and let it boil down on a low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until you have a beautiful caramel sauce consistency. And it is pretty much like making dulce de leche when you make it from scratch, because you are melting some sugar with some milk, but here it is coconut milk, and you will see our caramel is going to be beautiful. Our caramel is now ready, so it is time to add a bit of flavorings, and I'm of course going to add some salt. You can definitely add sea salt flakes, for example, or fleur de sel, which is French, and which I love and which I'm using today here. And also I'm going to add some vanilla extract, which is in powder form today, but you can definitely add liquid. I'm just going to mix that thoroughly with a wooden spoon, and then I'm just going to put my caramel back on the stove to let it boil and reduce and be perfect. It will take just 5 more minutes, more or less, and finally we'll be putting it in a glass jar. And there you go, it was that easy to make homemade vegan caramel sauce, and so quick, and you maybe have already the ingredients on hand. So make sure that you try this recipe, you will not be disappointed, and please tag me in your pictures if you do so. And I love to discuss with you guys on social media, especially on Instagram. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description box down below, so just right under this video, along with my social media. And I hope that you will subscribe to this channel to help me grow, and give this video a like and a comment if you enjoyed it, and I will be very happy to see you soon for another amazing recipe. Bye!